Vivo seems to be doubling down on its ambitions in the flagship smartphone space, and the new X70 Pro series is a good example. The brand has been churning out stylish phones with a focus on cameras as its top priority, while aspects such as display and performance have been given high weightage as well. I have in my hand Vivo X70 Pro, which also boosts gimbal stabilization, but unlike its Pro Plus sibling, the mechanism is present only on the primary sensor and not on the ultra-wide one. However, the partnership with the German camera hardware maker ZEOS is still an integral part of the device. Other noteworthy features on the X70 Pro include powerful Dimensity 1200 chipset, Full HD Plus 120Hz AMOLED screen, 44W fast charging and more for a starting price of 47,000. So let us jump into the review and see what are the top 5 reasons to consider this phone. Before that, please hit that like button, do share this video among your friends and subscribe my channel. X70 Pro comes with a 6.56-inch AMOLED 120Hz display and it has 1300 nits of brightness. The device also has Widevine L1 support, that means you will be able to watch full HD Plus content on OTT apps. The phone also has HDR10 Plus support and you will be able to watch HDR10 Plus content on Prime Video and even on YouTube, but for some reason HDR10 Plus wasn't working on Netflix. Vivo has a good quality of AMOLED panel here and it's bright too, so there won't be any problem while using the Vivo X70 Pro outdoors. Overall, the Vivo X70 Pro has the best display quality and you won't face any problems while playing games or even watching videos. Believe me, you're paying extra money, that is around 10k for its cameras. The Vivo X70 Pro comes with a 50MP primary sensor and this sensor has gimbal, 12MP ultra-wide lens with the optical image stabilization, 12MP portrait with a 2x zoom and 8MP telephoto lens with the optical image stabilization, while there is a 32MP of front selfie camera to take beautiful selfies. The rear camera can shoot videos up to 4K at 60fps, 1080p 60fps, while the front can shoot up to 4K at 30fps and 1080p at 30fps. Out of 4 lenses provided in the rear camera, 3 lenses has optical image stabilization built in, so there is nothing to worry about video quality. The video footage will come out stable and that gimbal camera will help you a lot when you shoot videos with the primary sensor. The good thing here is Vivo did not miss out on details even while using optical image stabilization. The videos do come out with the details. Overall, if you are that person who shoots videos more than taking photos, then the Vivo X70 Pro is the best option for you. Vivo X70 Pro is powered by MediaTek Dimensity 1200 chipset and it is running on FunTouch OS 12 based on Android 11. We have seen the MediaTek Dimensity 1200 chipset is been used in the phone costing under 25,000, but Vivo has used in this phone. Believe me, the performance is very good and there won't be any kind of problem while playing games like Call of Duty or even Free Fire. The major disappointment here is that Vivo has preloaded lots of third-party application which can be uninstalled, but still, even after paying such a huge amount, you may feel bad. Vivo X70 Pro has a 4400 mAh of battery that comes with a 44W fast charging support, and Vivo has provided a 44W adapter in the box. For casual users, Vivo X70 Pro will last for a day, but if you are a heavy user who plays a lot of gaming, then ready to charge the device 2 times a day. Vivo V70 Pro comes with the stereo speakers and it has a secondary noise cancellation microphone along with the IR blaster to control smart home devices. The speaker quality is good and it works fine, nothing to complain about, but Vivo would have given another speaker. But believe me, with a single speaker you can enjoy the best audio quality. Overall, the Vivo X70 Pro is not for everyone. It's the best option for those who want the best camera and are willing to pay extra money for the camera only. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, please hit the like button, do share this video among your friends and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Take care.